On a New York City highway, a biker was lane splitting. And with lane splitting comes a lot of responsibility. The driver failed to signal and didn't check the side mirror carefully. But keep in mind, lane splitting is not allowed in the state of New York. The biker was unharmed and managed to pick up his bike. This clip is a great reminder of the importance of wearing protective gear. On Halloween night in Tokyo, the city buzzed with excitement.
Happy Halloween!
But the fun took an unexpected turn when an inexperienced rider decided to hop on a motorcycle. The sudden burst of power made the bike tilt back and accidentally lifted the front wheel up. So never apply too much power to the throttle too quickly, and if you are inexperienced, do not get powerful motorcycles. In Fresno, California, a biker captures a road rage incident on camera. What starts as a casual ride quickly escalates into a heated confrontation.
So this is me on my electric bike. It's a Sur-Ron. Right now I'm in the bike lane, passing everybody up like I should be because I am a bike. The next street coming up, keep in mind, does not have a bike lane whatsoever. And if you look onto the right-hand shoulder when I look over, you'll see the sign. It says right lane turns right only. Now, the truck that just passed, if you just saw him, he's in that lane. What he's trying to do is slingshot past all this traffic. And you'll see right here in a second when we catch up to him what happens. We'll get right into the video.
Just to be clear, the truck driver moved into the right turn only lane, not to turn, but simply to rudely skip traffic.
I don't know what the hell that guy's doing, but you can't go straight there, buddy. Just, it's whack.
It's often wiser to ignore such confrontations because it can save you a lot of headaches and, in most cases, a lot of time.
You know you turn right there, right? It's a one lane going straight.
The same thing as we were.
I'm on a bike.
I know. It doesn't matter. You should have waited for the other truck like everybody else does. You were turning late like we were. So we were both in the fucking wrong.
No, I wasn't.
Have more courtesy.
No, I wasn't. And I didn't even know what you were doing. You just honked at me. I didn't even know what you were doing. You guys, man.
Who do you think is at fault in this situation? Let me know in the comments below.
Use the second lane. Oh, I know. They were mad because they said that I was cutting those people off. I was like, no, I can lane split. You were in the lane that goes onto the freeway. It's stupid. They were just dumb. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I seen you. You shop at Seymour. I think we went to high school together. Yeah, Central East, right? Yeah. Yeah. See you, man.
A biker in Turkey is cruising down the road, but things are about to take a sharp turn. The biker was touching his helmet twice, and being a bit distracted, he didn't spot the car on time. Luckily, the biker was fine and able to stand up, and when he did, he ran straight to his love. Out in Rockland County, New York, Sur-Ron Sefi just saw a rear-end collision between two cars.
Check if your car is
Somebody.
Good boy. I'm somebody that cares. I live on this street right here. Let's go.
Sit down, boy. What happened? Y'all good?
We were Gucci, daddy. I got the scooter over here.
What's up, buddy?
Just guy hit.
Make sure your dogs don't get in the street. Y'all good?
Just drive your car right there.
Yeah.
Both of you guys just drive.
Yeah, y'all should pull in.
Right here so you can get out of traffic.
Y'all should put into that street.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to tell this brother that he doesn't think that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Está bueno, man.
Yo, pull into that street. Yo guys will be better off. Yo, bro. Pull into that street. The car runs?
It's not running?
Hey, don't go on the street, buddy.
Good. They love the motorcycle, so as soon as they see that, they know you a friend.
Alright, pull in. Yes, sir.
You already know it, Dad.
Yeah, huh?
You already know it.
He's not going nowhere.
In New York, fleeing the accident scene can result in a $250 fine and up to 15 days in jail.
KFA 2340. Yo, I got your plate. Go back. It's gonna be worse for yourself, dog.
Bro, you see? I didn't do to their car.
Yo, it's gonna be worse if you run, bro. I got your plate and everything. I'm recording right now. Go back. You'll be better off. If you ain't do nothing, nothing's gonna happen. Just go off, settle it, bro. You don't want this on your chest, bro. Go back. Go back, dog. Just make a U-E. Quick U-E, man.
Wait, here?
No, right here. Just make a U-turn right here, bro. It's not worth it. Yo, what? Stop. Go.
The driver thought his day couldn't get any worse, but then he comes across a Karen.
I don't understand.
Todo bien, bro. Let him go out.
Huh?
He's trying to get out.
Well, he saw me coming in and he came over just to dominate me.
I don't know, ma'am. He's just trying to go back. He's having a hard time, ma'am.
He agreed to drive back to the scene of the accident. He seemed like he regretted leaving, but then he drove past the accident site and fled once more.
Yo, bro.
Remember, even if the damage seems minimal, it's always better to stop and not run away from an accident. Let the police assess the situation if you're unsure.
Cops are already there. Stop. Turn around. Right by the light, dog. You're gonna get a hit and run charge, bro. You're cooked, man. You're cooked. Yo, bro. Yo, bro, you're cooked. Yo. You're cooked, man. You're cooked. You're cooked. KFK 2340.
This biker was riding with a friend when he got rear-ended by him. This is why you should always keep a safe distance while riding together. Two bikers hit the infamous tail of the dragon, but on this ride, not everything goes as planned.
You okay, bro?
The biker came out unscathed, but in the crash, he ended up damaging another parked bike.
You good? Did it hit you?
Yeah, there's no really fucking bike, man.
Where'd it hit you at?
Did I hit you? Yeah, you did. I'll give you my information. I got full coverage.
They exchanged their information and the insurance will settle it out. But let's get back to the crash to learn. It's hard to see why the biker crashed from this distance. But I did notice the tires looked a bit worn. Could that have been the reason? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Welcome to the Bay Area, where the roads are packed with drivers in their own little worlds. Out here, defensive riding isn't a skill, it's a necessity.
What? What?
Use your signal.
What?
What?
Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry?
You're pulling right in front of me.
Are you in a hurry?
No, are you? Use your signal.
I can't go on your name. You were speeding like you're in a hurry. Okay, I know, I get that. Your dash cam's gonna tell you
are you turning left from that lane?
I was trying to turn left, but you were going too fast.
You were,
I'm not gonna get
bro,
in a hurry.
shut up.
A biker's helmet camera records a relaxing ride on a 35 miles per hour road, where overtaking is a no-go thanks to the double yellow lines.
Where are you gonna go? There's cars up there. The idiot.
Crossing a double yellow line isn't just risky for yourself, it endangers everyone around you. That's why it's illegal, and why it's something to avoid.
There's nobody in there. There's nobody in there. Idiot. You can go. I have you on camera. I have you on camera. I have a camera. What the is your problem? I have you on camera, you dumb camera.
You're not going to tell me that I was wrong. You're an asshole.
Camera. 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 Oh, shit.
This biker learns us 2 lessons. Don't zigzag on your bike. And second, wear protective gear. In St. Louis, Missouri, on Highway 70, a biker was riding extremely fast, but an important part of the bike is going to break. He was lucky his rear wheel didn't lock up. At this speed, that would have definitely caused a crash. To prevent your bike chain from breaking, regularly check your chain and maintain it properly. In this clip, we see a rider approaching a bend, unaware of the trap lying in wait. Gravel might seem minor, but it can ruin a ride in an instant. Always scan the road ahead, especially on corners, and slow down if you spot anything. Remember, if you still hit gravel, stay calm, keep the bike upright, and avoid hard braking. In the quiet countryside of France, a biker enjoys a peaceful ride until he spots a tractor up ahead.
What are you doing, man? Absolute. Could ya? You couldn't wait, could ya? What? What? You could have just waited for us to go past. Oh, man. Doing you prick. Come here then, come here. Come over here, you coming in. Coming in.
To be honest, the biker had at least 5 business days to react, but the reaction of the farmer was disgusting. Out on the streets of Wisconsin, a British cyclist finds himself in a close call when a strange couple recklessly cuts him off. On the busy streets of London, a motorcyclist tries to beat the traffic by weaving through cars and cutting onto the bike lane. But in his attempt, he misreads the situation. The black pickup driver made room for the Seat to cross, but thinking the coast was clear, the Seat driver collided with the biker.
Got everything on camera as well.
Yeah, you gotta watch the traffic, mate. You know. Oh,
sorry.
We took each other's insurance details, which I had never been in a crash before. He had never been in a crash before. So we were both standing there like looking at each other. So what details do we exchange then? And at the beginning he was like, you do take fault on that, right? You realise that's all your fault? And I'm like, I said, no. I said, wait a minute. Although I was in the wrong in terms of undertaking, so he couldn't see me, if that had been a cyclist or something, he would have clearly knocked them off. Also, because he was coming from a side road onto a main, I'm in the right because I'm on the main road, so he should have been, was it due care and attention? I don't know what they call it.
The biker was in doubt about who was at fault.
After the crash,
What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.